You ready to go on our date?
We're cleaning more stuff out of the house?
Yeah, it's in the way.
Actually, since you brought that out here, guess what?
No. We're not doing a Friday video.
It's a Friday video.
No, this is our anniversary week. We're not doing a Friday video. No. I just came out here to...
Okay, put that back in the house then.
No. Here, we're pushing it over.
So then put it back in the house or we'll do a Friday video.
It's gotta be a quick one though.
You know what? You know me, I'm always quick.
Snappy, let's go.
Okay, well let's get it over there. Okay. And let's show them what it is.
Okay. It's hot in the garage again.
It is not hot in the garage. The air conditioning is on. I don't want to hear it.
I got my flamingo arms on.
Okay. Did you guys see what it is? Tell them. Should you tell them what it is?
It's the charge out.
Okay. So you guys asked for it, right? You saw the charge out. It was an awesome little setup that Ryan, the electrician, did, right? Boop, boop, boom.
What?
I don't have many batteries in there. It's got the plug on the side. So that way you can basically have your charger on your PACKOUT stack. You can fill this up with batteries or tools or a combination of both. I went ahead and added a 3D printed latch from 3D Technologies. That one says M18. Technically that charger was an M12 on M18. So I went ahead and did a new latch.
Good.
Okay.
We like that.
And then I got a hold of the guy who bought Rumor Industries.
Which is?
JDS, who also makes these awesome carts. But we won't talk about that one because we make videos too long already. So there you go, that's yours.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Cart. It's heavy because of a reason. Yeah, it's like the Mary Poppins purse.
Okay, hang on.
I'm just gonna hide behind here.
Whoa,
so what's this? Okay, so we have a plate.
That's the raw.
That's the raw.
Okay, and this is the
textured powder coated.
Okay. We got 2 different kinds of.
Got lots of hardware.
Yep. Okay. I'm just gonna hand you everything.
We've got backing plates.
We've got the.
Yeah. So here's the new design latch. Show them the new design.
Oh, okay. Don't take anything out. It's my job. Woo. Oh wait, my fingernails are in the way.
Okay. I love this. This is just all about you, and I hide behind the PACKOUT.
We got nuts.
Yeah, we got a lot of nuts. All right, we got the gas shocks.
Okay. All right, that's it for that. Then we got. Oh, this is the plug.
All right, here's your power port.
And there's something in this. Hold on. I'm having issues. Technical difficulties. Hold on.
Okay, so this is me from around the corner. We have an M12 or an M18, and it's going to come with both. Okay, and I'm setting one off here to the side for a certain reason, right?
Yep.
Okay, this is the raw M12, M18.
And this one is in the raw, but it does come with both.
Okay, so
and this.
So a PACKOUT.
Yeah.
So why? Why do we have all this?
Because we're gonna put one in.
Because we have the kits.
Yeah.
Now.
We do.
The website is up on that screen, which we'll show you in a second.
Yeah.
But show them this.
Okay.
So we went ahead and made some adjustments.
Ooh.
So we increased the size of the backing plates, and those, right, like that, okay? And they're self-aligning, so you literally just stick it on your PACKOUT, you drill the hole. So, if this isn't obvious enough, it's the charge out video, which I don't know if we even said that, but we're doing a full kit. Full kit, meaning you are going to get in the mail this PACKOUT.
If they chose to do that.
I'm going to get to
okay.
that. You're going to get that in the mail, just like she unpacked it, except for it's not going to have 2 kits in it. But you're going to get your shocks, you're going to get your power adapter, you're going to get 2 choices, you're going to get your backing plate, your 3D printed latch, all that, and it's going to be assembled. And it's one price if you want black, and it's one price if you want raw.
That's right.
Or you can order a kit, PACKOUT goes away, bye-bye.
And you just order the kit.
This guy, and you build it yourself. And it's going to be the same 2 finishes. It's going to be pretty simple. And we're not going to belabor the video. Is that a right choice of words?
Sure.
Belabor is like when you push it out, right? And it takes forever.
Labor? Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. I heard that was a word.
I don't know.
So yeah, we got stainless hardware. It's going to be fairly complete kit. Wire management is sort of up to you. And all you'll have to do, and when I say kit, I'm talking about pre-assembled. Not even a kit, meaning you have to put it together kit. Meaning you'll get this and you will just add your own power adapter. route the wires, and battery. But you will literally have a place to put an M18, or you can swap this out. It'll come pre-installed with the M18. That's what we said on the website. With the M12, it's 2 screws. That guy comes out, this guy goes on. If you decide you're not going to use the M12, you can just screw it to your wall and have some battery brackets. So you're going to get some of these awesome rumor industry. Now JDS Customs battery brackets, it comes with both. You put your charger on it, whatever you want, or you don't have to do a charger. I guess you could just screw these both on the lid. I don't know why you would buy the charge out without doing it. But yeah, it's a complete setup. I shouldn't say kit. Or you can order the kit. And when you order the kit, you get everything you need, but your power adapter, or your power charger, or your charger, excuse me. It's a busy day. We got to get a lot of videos done. She's gotten me in the chop mode.
That's right.
So yeah, you're going to get either the kit, or you're going to get the complete setup. And the complete setup is going to be shipped in a PACKOUT, built, assembled, done. Nothing that you need to do except for add your own power. I literally keep saying power adapter. Your charger. Add your own charger. That's it. And
if we're going to do a little something here. If they...
Oh, we're going to do something?
Follow us on Instagram.
Oh, okay. So
they should follow us here. They should also follow us on Instagram. But you're getting pretty close to hitting...
I want to get to 75K.
Yes. We're trying to get to 75K on Instagram. And if we do, we're going to be giving away a bunch of stuff. And we'll give away a complete kit.
Kit minus the PACKOUT, because it's a kit.
Minus the PACKOUT.
I mean, it's the DIY. It'll come with a PDF. It'll come to a link to a video on how to do it.
Yep.
I guess it means I got to make a video on how to do it. Whatever. All right. And you're basically going to get that. You're going to get that. You're going to get that. You're going to get the latch. Right? You're going to get all this fun stuff.
Yep.
And you're going to supply your own PACKOUT and your own charger. And you'll have one. So this goes in the 75K pile.
Yes.
That one's going to be in the 75K pile you said today. You want to show them that?
Which one am I holding up?
The one that's still in the box, please.
This one over here?
Yep. Yeah, here. Oh, okay. So the X-Tool ODB scanner, because the Monday scanner video already had another one, a giveaway in it. So you make sure you watch all the YouTube videos. And we're going to do the new rules in the videos, which is people are going to email us their YouTube name, or they're going to comment their Instagram name. But yeah, so there you go. And do we want to show them the website?
Yeah,
you go to the computer, and I'll turn the camera.
Okay. I can touch the screen, right? I need like a little stylus. We need a little stylus pen.
It just uses your fingers.
I know, but you could, if you had a little stylus, I could like be pointing it with a stylus. So, charge out conversion for the Milwaukee tool PACKOUT. Okay, so this one is a completed raw, right? You can also change it to bring your own PACKOUT. You can change it to black textured. And obviously that would be black textured, not the raw, but this was the only one we had to take a picture of. And you can see the pricing changes. So if we go to completed, raw, pricing changes, and obviously it calculates shipping at checkout. So yeah, check it out. What is it? Shop.jakeofall.com.
Yeah.
I almost forgot our own website name.
So yeah, I'm in your... Sorry.
No, you're fine. So there's a website. You should go check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below if you won one of these charge outs. Would you do the M12 battery platform on the inside or the M18 battery platform on the inside? So I want to know what most of you guys have. Do you guys have M12 mores or M18 mores?
They have a bigger... yeah, okay.
Right?
Sorry, I interrupted.
No, go ahead.
No,
what were you going to say?
I want to show them one more thing.
Oh, one more thing. Oh, boy. One more thing. It's always one more thing with him. Oh, really?
See ya. Back out.
Bye. I feel like a flamingo.
Oh my gosh, these are the best. That'll be at the end.
I feel like a flamingo. What can I say?
My turn.